Engagement provided clarity on some human settlement issues and discussed various pending projects. These include incomplete housing projects and the impact of natural disasters that sporadically occur in the province. The minister was also unhappy about the progress on the asbestos roof removal project.
The first one on the asbestos, I'm definitely not happy with the progress that we expected. We spent about 79 million in terms of the asbestos, but majority of the money didn't go into the roof removals, but they've spent it on quantification and actual on study, which I'm not happy about. So I've asked the technical team, DG, leading, to sit and also make sure that things are done properly.
Contractors not being paid their retention is said to be killing SMMEs.
We had identified, as I said, 2,000 houses that needed to be fixed across the province. So what the province did was to appoint one contractor to do the work. There's been issues around even the contractor reported that the contractor performance, the department is addressing because it seems that there's not been good performance. Number two, there's issues around subcontractors who had complained that they have not been paid. But one of the issues that came from public was the issue of contractors which have done work previously and they have not been paid their retainer. And I'm getting that the department actually has used the money of contractors. This I don't think is correct because the Free State Province shouldn't use money for contractors.
A responsive disaster management plan has been discussed and drafted to mitigate South Africa's escalating natural disaster crisis.
Once a disaster has happened, a councillor needs to work together and make sure that there is a beneficiary list because that delays the response. We cannot intervene without knowing who is affected and whether it's the right, so that we close the issue of manipulation and also abuse of the system. So we will be able to continue to improve in how we turn around, ensuring that people understand what needs to be done, utilizing our call center as national, but collaboration and working together with the disaster centers. So when disaster happens, people must report it at the district disaster. Then we will be able to pick up that information and be able to intervene quickly.
The department intends to partner with traditional leaders, utilizing geomapping to identify disaster-resilient areas suitable for human settlement development. The aim is to identify safe land parcels for settlement purposes and avoid disaster-prone areas in vulnerable provinces. The pilot project is earmarked for rural KwaZulu-Natal and Limpopo provinces. Refilo Mekwa, SABC News, Bloemfontein.